Apple doesn't own iPhone factories. Every year, millions of people line up for the latest iPhone. It feels like a machine built entirely inside Apple. But the reality is different. Apple does not run the factories that assemble most of its most important product. A significant majority of iPhone manufacturing is handled by outsourcing partners, with final assembly done mainly in Asia. That includes giants like Foxconn and Pegatron, working across China, India, Vietnam, and other manufacturing hubs. In Foxconn's massive iPhone city operations, production can surge to meet the launch cycle. When demand explodes, Apple can scale fast without building new plants. When demand cools, it is not stuck with idle factories, extra payroll, or years of fixed overhead. That flexibility is the point. Apple's strategy is not to own every step. It is to own the steps that matter most. Design, software, product definition, customer experience. That is where Apple creates its moat. The manufacturing layer is outsourced because it is capital-intensive, operationally complex, and constantly changing. Apple's own filings acknowledge the trade-off. Outsourcing lowers operating burden, but it also requires disciplined control over quality, logistics, and risk. That is where Tim Cook's influence changed everything. Long before he became CEO, Cook treated supply chain management like a competitive weapon. He helped drive inventory down from about 30 days to about 6, by closing warehouses and tightening logistics around contract manufacturing. The lesson was simple: if you can orchestrate the system better than anyone else, you do not need to own the factory. Apple also gains something else. Its manufacturing footprint now stretches across China, India, Taiwan, Japan, South Korea, and Vietnam, reducing dependence on any single country. India in particular has become a growing engine for iPhone assembly as Apple diversifies production for geopolitics, tariffs, and continuity. That is why Apple can move production when tariffs shift, when politics change, or when one region is disrupted. Instead of betting on one country, it builds optionality into the business itself, one assembly partner at a time, globally. So when you hold an iPhone, you are holding a product designed in California, assembled by a global network, and powered by a company obsessed with focus. Apple does not win by making everything itself. It wins by deciding exactly what to own and what to delegate. Apple's real factory is strategy. Subscribe for more business stories.